Hey, what's up guys? So Xiaomi recently launched the Xiaomi 14 series in China, but their most premium Xiaomi 14 Ultra will launch in the first quarter of 2024. Tipster DCS has revealed some key details of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. In his post, he said a device with codename Venti is equipped with a 5180 mAh battery. He further says that this device will support 90-watt fast wire charging and 50-watt fast wireless charging. Its predecessor, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, also features 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging support. So it's very much likely that these specs are for the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. We know that the Ultra models in Xiaomi's number series are known for their excellent cameras, and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra will carry this legacy. DCS previously revealed the camera details of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and I gotta say they are quite impressive. This bad boy from Xiaomi will feature 450 megapixel cameras at the back, just like its predecessor. But what sets it apart from the previous model is the variable aperture technology. The main 50 megapixel camera on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra will come with a wide aperture of f1.6 to f4.0. With a wide aperture, the sensor will take in more light and will take better photos, especially in low light scenario. The sensor will have native focal length of 0.5x, 1x, 3.2x and 5x. Additionally, the main sensor could be the new Sony Lightia LYT900 sensor, which would improve the low light photography even further. The refined camera system further elevates the smartphone's capabilities, promising stellar photography experience. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra doesn't just stop at the cameras, it incorporates a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, providing users with a faster and smoother experience. It should run on Xiaomi's new Hyper OS, which will be based on Android 14. The device will compete against the likes of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Oppo Find X7 Pro and Vivo X100 Pro Plus. So that's all we know about the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and I'll keep you posted once more information appears. So what do you think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.